Hello family, welcome home. Today we'll be looking at Hisense U71 FRP, a bypass without computer. First start, press next, and then you connect your Wi-Fi. Me, I have connected to my Wi-Fi already, so it will be checking for update. It's a process that it should take. It says verify with the password. Let's try Google account so you can see that it's logged. I believe you can see a key on the top left corner that proves to you the phone is locked. So now it says enter your previous email address, which the owner forget. So let's go back at the beginning, and first things to do is to go to emergence. From emergence, right click on the pen and then select one of the contacts. If you don't have contacts, put your SIM card inside the phone, and then from here you click on three dots and select share. Then you select Gmail. Just press, don't press and hold, just press to open, and then skip, and then add email address, and then select exchange. Just type any words with @gmail.com, and then when manual setup appears to function, click on and then select exchange, and then select on select certificate, and then OK. Set up your password because it says you need to set up a password in order for you to access the storage. And then you set up your desired password. As I'm setting Z, it's a simple password to remember. And then I will have to restart my phone now. Alright, after your phone has been restarted, now before you do anything, it will want you to verify with the password that we just finished setting up, and then they start again. This time around it will ask us to verify using the new password that we have created. So that actually means we already have control and access over the device. We have bypassed the previous password and Gmail in just few steps. You can skip email now. Yes, confirm skip. Next. Just click on next, or you can write your name and click next. Accept, no thanks. It says adding the finishing touches. Just be patient with it. Agree on terms and services, terms and conditions for services. Agree again on privacy policy. Voila, thank you. You have bypassed your Hisense U71. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. For any other videos, go to the content and check. You'll find we have more than 100 videos on this channel. Thank you for your love and support. We love you.